justice sector. We also observed that cases were taking very long, and there was a need for us to expedite those cases through the system. As a result of that, DPP Haji, myself and the office tried to come up with initiatives within our power. And that is why we came up with the decision to charge guidelines. And that is one of my biggest achievements, our biggest achievement. The decision to charge guidelines is supposed to regulate how we make the decision to charge, so that we sieve the system, petty cases do not go to court. We also came up with the diversion guidelines, and the diversion guidelines is supposed to attend to alternatives to prosecutions, because we realized that not everybody who is charged with an offense should go through the system. And that was said by Sir Shawcross, the Attorney General of England in 1950, that not in all cases where you have evidence, people should go through court. So we came up with a diversion guideline to assist us to sieve the cases. What is the challenge that the DPP could not deal with?